Okay, so check out this Bentley Continental GTC. So this is a Bentley designed for California. It's a convertible. It's really, really nice. Four-seater. It's got lots of good options. Blacked out grille and that interior. The white exterior with the red interior looks so nice. Everything is covered in leather, and this is metal, not plastic. Metal, not plastic. Yeah, everything's either leather, alloy, or carbon fiber. Very little plastic in this car. Nice big car, carries 4 people. A tasteful carbon fiber spoiler right there. Just the right amount of chrome on the letterings. I like the blacked out exhaust, the black chrome tip, very, very nice. Matches the black wheels. Yeah. Check out the button. That's how you move the seat forward and backwards so you get to the back seat. It's a 4-seater. And yeah, back seat space. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, better than the Aston Martin Vanquish, which is the direct competitor of this car. So you can see that center console with a nice polished black. And here, this is actually contains the navigation screen. It flips out and flips out its clock too, so it's 3 ways. And when it's turned off, it's just a blank. But when it's turned on, yeah, if you have a choice, you can show the nav screen or a clock. Yeah, the Bentley Continental GTC, C for convertible. Very nice.